siya kung magkalibog kayo sa question. And this time, I would like to hear inyong opinion. I would love to hear your opinion. So, this is big. So, ang nagkapon is yeah. Don't jump on me. So, ang lang. No, ang lang. Okay. This is the question. Basahan na ha, sabay-sabay. Tapos raise tayo ng hand. Go.
Read to teach or teach to read.
Raise your hand if you want to answer. Sorry, it's just a trying to. Go! Siman! Go. Saan up tayo yun? Pag-inom nila is very crucial because it reflects your personality as a teacher or even an individual. Especially kay teacher ita, so this is mag-reflect siya sa ato ako how we will proceed to see. Dito tayo issue. This is personal views kay pamay-balan kung isa ka sa teacher.
Before me as a future educator, I choose